So putting objects on a path in Illustrator CC is very simple. All we have to do is select our objects, then go to this tool right here that says Objects on Path, select it, and then simply click our path. So here we have our objects on a path, and we can modify it if we want to. So make sure the tool is still selected right here. And now if we want to switch around with the order of the object, we can simply drag it and place it wherever we want it. We can also select this one right here, where we can squeeze or expand the row. Then we can select this, move all, to move them all around while keeping the space between them. And if we want to rotate them all, we can choose this tool right here to rotate. We can also delete the original path, leaving only the objects behind. We do this by picking the direct selection tool right here, then only select the path and simply delete it with the delete key. So use this tip in your next project. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.